Let's go guys, Ichimoku technical analysis in only 3 minutes.
So OGN guys, we can see clearly that again we went toward our Kijun Daily. Finally today we touch it, and it seems like we rejected the bull trend because now we are on a pullback. We want, of course the day is not over, huh? But we want to see if we still can go even higher during today. And I think the answer is yes. Why is that? Because our lagging here still have an escape and space to go up, at least toward this Tenkan here, which is the Tenkan weekly, which is a strong resistance. But we got 2 doji candles. Normally we need 3, but it happens sometimes that we break through, especially if Bitcoin has a big impulsion. That could do the job. So at the moment, if we imagine our lagging going up toward here before the end of the day, you can clearly see it takes us to 0.98, which is this resistance here on our cloud, on the Kumo, on the SSB. So we got a resistance here. So it's well possible that we are going toward this area. And if we do that, then the Kijun Daily will become maybe a price support, but we will have to test it a couple times. So basically, if I do a draw, we can from here go back up to here, and then we will have during the day or couple days in the week some testing of our Kijun. That's one of the possible scenario on a bullish trend. Now, since we have a pullback, we want to know down to where. If I look at my daily, my first resistance, the one I can see here clearly, is this one here, 0.88. Why? Because SSB of the cloud here will also create some resistance. It still work in the future. So that's the first resistance. If we keep breaking down this one, then we can expect the Tenkan Daily to be the place where we're going to head on. So looking at a 4 hours time frame, I can see a bit more resistances and see what's going on. So you see, yeah, it kind of matched Tenkan 4 hours and this one. So raise it up here to the Tenkan 4 hours, this resistance, because it will be active. At the moment, pullback, but not over yet. Huh? We still have to go lower than this candle here. So it's not yet done. However, you see our lagging has no more support down here. Here we had, so it stopped. It stops the price to go down, but now we can fall down here. Very clearly, I've got no resistance. The SSB here is not flat. The resistance I get is only here, starting here, which is in 1, 2, so in 8 hours. In about 8 hours, minus the candle we already started, which we started at 8 a.m. So about 6 hours. For the next 6 hours, no support here. All right. So it's well possible we go all the way toward our Tenkan 4 hours before we push back into a bullish candle, into a run, up to our Kijun Daily and try to break above. All right. So you guys know what might happen. Now I wish you all the luck possible, and I see you later. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, let's subscribe to Style I Crypt YouTube. Ichimoku technical analysis. Ichimoku the best. Ichimoku Style I Crypt on YouTube. Subscribe.